Hi everyone, I'm Kevin from the Gator team and welcome to our weekly series, FAQ Friday. In this series, we're going to answer the most common questions about abrasives and sanding. So in this week's episode, we're going to show you how exactly to use a sanding sponge. Sanding sponges are one of the most versatile hand sanding tools you can use. They're great for spots a power sander can't reach, like trim, furniture edges, drawer fronts, corners, and anything with curves or contours. And for this demo, I'm going to be using a Gator Super Sponge. Now these sponges are great because they combine premium latex back sandpaper with a built-in sanding block, which gives you better control for more consistent finishes than traditional sanding sponges. Now to use a sanding sponge, it's as easy as taking it out of the package and just holding it comfortably in your hand. Now the foam block gives you even pressure and is flexible around edges, letting you wrap around shapes or get into really tight corners. When you're sanding, use light, even pressure and work with the grain. Now I'm using it on wood. We could also use sponges on metal, fiberglass, and painted surfaces. So if you got any questions, let us know in the comments, and see you next FAQ Friday.